Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi from Group 7, and today we will explain about social media and language change, online communication, and identity. Before we are going our presentation, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Melgiani.
My name is Keisha Bella Sandi.
My name is Maulida Hayati Kresnadi.
My name is Marishanda Hairnisa.
This presentation, there are material. We will explanation. There are abstract, introduction, literature review, methodology, result and discussion, discussion and implication, and the last conclusion. Without further ado, let's begin the first material about abstract.
This journal examines how social media influence the evolution of language, focusing on two main questions. The first one is, how does social media influence linguistic simplification, including abbreviation and phonetic spelling? Number two, how does digital communication on social media platforms impact syntax and grammar, and are these variations consistent across different linguistic communities? And the main findings, the first one, linguistic economy, and number two, new language style in younger generation. The result point of linguistic economy tends to be the main factor for linguistic simplification due to favor of speediness and character limitation. Furthermore, younger generation are reported to use abbreviation in academic and professional settings, suggesting that this change may contribute to long-term shifts in linguistic norms. Regarding syntax and grammar variation, the review studies suggest that non-standard grammar used on social media contributes to a new stylistic register that is informal yet effective in conveying intent quickly and with minimal effort. These findings suggest that social media is influential in language evolution, particularly among youth, and its implication for language preservation, education, and cultural identity should be considered.
Okay, for the next material is about introduction. That's I will explain about it. Introduction here in this journal. Introduction explained how social media has transformed human communication, making it quicker, more concise, and more creative than transition form of writing. It pointed out that this transformation includes the creation of new vocabulary, the use of abbreviation and phonetic spelling like U for you, or LOL for loud, out loud, and change in sentence structure and grammar. These ideas directly connect to the English academic article, which also discusses how social media encourage linguistic simplification due to platform constraints like character limits. For example, the article mentioned Twitter as a platform that has influenced how people shorten words or use acronyms to save place. This results in a type of informal communication that's fast and efficient, but often deviates from standard grammar rules. Moreover, your statement about how language change used to take decades or even centuries, but now happen in just months, is strongly supported by the article says language evolution. One, a process that took generations to yield a noticeable shift now unfold within years or even months. This shows that social media is not just changing what we say, but how fast language itself is evolving. Social platforms create environment where new expression, slang, and way of writing can spread quickly and widely. Especially among younger users, this rapid change reflects a broader global shift in communication pattern, where bravery, creativity, and adaptability are more important than strict grammar or traditional writing rules. In short, the introduction effectively captures the main point of the academic text. Social media correlates language change, encourage simplified and creative expression, and is reshaping how people communicate in a digital age. And for the next material about literature review,
And for the next material is about literature review. In this section, discusses about how social media influences language evaluation based on previous studies. In this, divided into 5 main themes. For the first one is linguistic simplification in digital communication. The second one is the spread of neologism and viral language trend. And the third is syntax and grammar variation in social media. For the fourth is multilingualism and language hybridization. For the last one is demographic and sociolinguistic influences. And for the first is linguistic simplification in digital communication. Platforms like Twitter and Snapchat encourage the use of shorter language to character limits. This leads users to use abbreviation, for example, be right back, or in short term BRB, or phonetic spelling, for example, you is used for you. Even though this form differ from standard grammar, they are widely understood. However, few studies have compared how different platforms like Twitter versus Facebook influence language adoption, especially across various language and culture. For the second is the spread of neologism and viral language trend. Social media enable the rapid spread of new words or phrases. For example, terms like lit or yet become popular online before being used in everyday conversation. It's still unclear why some words go viral while others don't. Factors like celebrity influences or meme culture may play a role in this case, but they are still under research. For the third is syntax and grammar variation in social media. Many social media users apply informal or non-standard grammar. For example, They may start a sentence with conjunction or skip punctuation. While this may seem incorrect, they actually reflect a shift toward more flexible and expansive language use. And for the fourth is multilingualism and language hybridization. Social media naturally support code switching, especially in multilingual region. Users often combine elements from different language in one post. In this creates new hybrid form of communication. And for the third is demographic and sociolinguistic influences. Gen Z play a major role in creating and spreading a new language trends online. They often introduce slang or informal language structure that eventually reach wider use. Influencers are also emerging as powerful trendsetter, but we don't yet understand how their influence varies across platform or culture. For the next material, please.
Okay, everyone, please, methodology.
The next material is methodology. This systematic review explores the impact of social media of language evolution with a focus how digital communication influences in linguistic simplification and syntax variant. Specifically, the review addressed two main questions. One, how does social media influence linguistic simplification, including abbreviation and phonetic spelling? And two, how does the digital communication on social media platform impact syntax and grammar, and are these variations consistent across different linguistic communities? To get the relevant studies of comprehension, search will be conducted in academic databases such as Scopus, Web of Science, and Google Scholar, using keywords like social media language change, digital communication, syntax variation, and linguistic simplification. Includes criteria consist of studies published between 2007 and 2024 that examine language change specific to social media. The starting years indicate the emergence of popular online social media. Inclusion includes studies focused on non-social media digital platforms, those not available in English. Following an initial title and abstract screening, selected studies will undergo full text review. Data will be extracted regardless study characteristic, methodology, and findings. Then organization organized thematically based on the search question. A narrative synthesis will summarize the influence of social media on linguistic simplification and syntax, highlight any cross-linguistic or community-specific variation. So the research includes creating the title and abstract, and this review builds on previous literature and lays the groundwork for deeper analysis in subsequent capture. Next.
Okay, for the
Next is
next.
results and discussion. The first one, influence of social media on linguistic simplification. The first research question explores how social media influence linguistic simplification, particularly through abbreviations and phonetic spellings. The findings reveal that social media platforms encourage brevity and ease of communication, leading to a widespread adoption of simplified language forms. Studies review consistently demonstrate that constraints like Twitter, former 140 character limit, prompter used to replace standard forms with abbreviations BRB for Be Right Back and acronyms. This linguistic economy reflects a broader trend toward digital communication that favors speed and informality, making simplified forms socially accepted and contextually effective. Interestingly, the review also found that abbreviation and phonetic spellings are not limited to English-speaking users. Similar adaptation occur across language, driven by platform constraints and shared online norms. For example, Spanish-speaking users commonly employ phonetic spelling like K for que, meaning what or that, while French speakers may abbreviate as il faut to SVP. This cross-linguistic adaptation underscores that social media is not only shaping the vocabulary of individual language, but also fostering a form of digital linguistic convergence. However, studies on non-Latin-based languages like Arabic and Chinese remain limited, representing a gap in understanding how social media impacts linguistic simplification across diverse script systems. The adoption of these simplified forms has implications beyond the digital sphere, as they gradually permeate spoken and written communication in non-digital contexts. For instance, younger generations are reported to use abbreviations in academic and professional settings, suggesting that this change may contribute to long-term shifts in linguistic norms. However, the review indicates that more research is needed to assess the permanence of these simplified forms in formal contexts. The second one is impact of social media on syntax and grammar variation. The second research question investigated how digital communication on social media platforms affects syntax and grammar, focusing on whether these variations are consistent across linguistic communities. Findings indicate that social media facilitates non-standard grammar forms, reflecting an environment that is highly flexible and conducive to experimentation. For example, uh, the omission of punctuation or unconventional word order, like starting sentence with conjunction, is widely observed in digital contexts. The review studies suggest that this variation contribute to a new stylist register that is informal yet effective in conveying intent quickly and with minimal effort. Syntax variation was found to differ across language and cultures. In multilingual communities, social media has encouraged fluid shifts between language and syntax styles, often within a single post. Research on bilingual users, particularly in regions where code switching is prevalent, reveals that social media encourage a hybrid syntax where language users creatively mixed structure from different languages. For instance, studies indicate that users in bilingual communities in Southeast Asia often blend English syntax with native language, creating novel sentence structures that would be unconventional in either language alone. This phenomenon underscores the potential of social media to reshape not only vocabulary but also synthetic norms, albeit in ways that may remain unique to digital communication. Despite these findings, the consistency of syntax variation across different linguistic communities remains unclear, as most studies focus on English-speaking contexts. The limited availability of cross-linguistic studies presents a challenge to understanding the broader implication of these syntax shifts. Furthermore, while some research argue that this variation may remain confined to digital communication, there is evidence suggesting that non-standard syntax is increasingly visible in casual spoken language, especially among younger users.
Okay, for the next material is about discussion and implication. Talk about discussion and implication. Social media has significantly accelerated the pace of language evolution. Traditionally, language change was a slow and generational process, shaped over time through cultural and social interaction. But now, digital communication, especially on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, has introduced a new era where language change quickly and spread rapidly across communities. The new norm in communication emphasizes speed, efficiency, and flexibility. People are no longer bound to rigid grammar rules or formal structure. Instead, they adopt a more casual, adaptable style of expression that fits the fast-moving nature of digital life. For instance, starting a sentence with and or but, using abbreviation like you and in the spelling you, or dropping punctuation are all now common and accepted online. This change is blurring the lines between formal and informal language, and the second, spoken and written communication, and the last, I think, local and global identity. However, while social media open up an inclusive space for language experimentation that like career risks, traditional grammar rules, and formal writing style may be pushed aside or forgotten. In other words, while social media encourage creatively and connect diverse communities, it also challenges the stability of language and puts less dominant linguistic tradition at risk. It's a space where innovation and loss happen side by side. Okay, for the next material, about conclusion.
Okay, for the last material is a conclusion. This review shows that social media is reshaping language to prioritize immediacy, accessibility, inclusivity, challenging traditional idea of linguistic stability. The trend toward a simplified and adaptive language may signal a new era where language is seen as a flexible tool for communication rather than something fixed by rules. And social media platforms encourage users to be fast and efficient, creating a space where linguistic experimentation becomes normal. This environment speeds up language change. What used to take a generation to evolve can now happen in months and spread globally. This is clear from how online expression and abbreviation move from digital space into everyday conversation. As a result, the boundary between informal and formal language is becoming less clear, especially among young people who are used to communicating this way. Besides vocabulary, sentence structure is also changing. It's now common to skip punctuation or mix language in single sentence. This change reflects new ways of expressing identity and culture online. However, the author note that most of the study review focus on English and Latin-based language. The impact on non-European language like Arabic or Chinese is still largely unknown. This recommend future studies to explore social media's influence to semantic aspect, such as word meaning or coin terms, and to focus on less research language. Maybe that's it.
Okay, everyone, that's all from us from Group 7. Thank you very much for joining this meeting. May Allah accept our good deeds, forgive our sins. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.